what I do on weekend in Kuala Lumpur. Hi everyone, it's weekend and today I've got an appointment at my favorite salon. But this time it's not just any haircut. I've brought something special along. I'm excited to try out the UberSuave hair wax. I've heard great things about it and I can't wait to see how it transforms my look. UberSuave signature collection now comes in a travel size, perfect for anyone with an on-the-go lifestyle. Whether you're into wax, clay or pomade, you've got versatile styling option right at your fingertips. Discover your perfect product and enjoy easy styling wherever you are. And it's water-based, so it's breeze to wash off and it leaves zero flakes, keeping your hair fresh and flawless. Plus, it's suitable for all hair types. After a fresh cut and a little self-care, there's no better way to spend the afternoon than catching up with friends over a great cup of coffee. It's moments like this that makes the weekend special, just relaxing, enjoying the little things, and being surrounded by good vibes and great people. Cheers to good coffee and those little moments that make life just a bit sweeter, and bye-bye!